like this salad?
I love the salad.
Okay.
Especially since I get to chop up the candy that's in it.
The candy. Do you sneak a piece?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Little Miss Homemaker.
And I'm Miss Katie.
And we are making candy apple salad from my mom's cookbook. And there's the link down below. There's a link down below if you want to buy her.
We're making candy apple salad that's on page 64. So
okay,
welcome to our home. This is Heritage House, a village homestead, and we're still getting settled. And we understand making videos is a little bit tricky still because we've got light issues and all that kind of thing going on. So if you're new to us, just know that we have just moved in the house and we're trying to get everything settled, and we have some ideas for the best way to make videos, but we haven't implemented those just yet. If you're not new to us, then you know our story, and you have been so good and gracious to offer us grace all this time. Well, today we are going to make a candy apple salad. It's also known as Snicker salad, all kinds of different variations on the internet, but I'm using my pumpkin pie spice mix that I made up in another video, and it's super easy for you to make as well. So we need 1 package of vanilla pudding mix, and we're going to mix that with 1 cup of milk. My cookbook says a half a cup, but today I used a full cup to see what would happen, and that actually worked better. So if you have my cookbook on page 64, you might want to make a note to use between a half and even up to a full cup of milk, because I think that worked a lot better. So I'll be making that change actually in my cookbook for going further. I add 1/4 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice mix, my homemade mix. You can leave that out if you want to, but I think it adds a lot to this fall salad. Mix the the Cool Whip. Now, I rarely buy Cool Whip. I just don't care for it. It's health-wise, it's just whipped oil. I always have made my own whipped cream, but in this case with the, I just couldn't. Sometimes you just can't. You know, you have to do the best you can. So in this case, I have bought the Cool Whip. And so I'm mixing. You can go ahead and do that. You can put the Cool Whip, 1 container, what is that, 8 ounces? 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip mixed with our pudding and milk and pie seasoning combination. And then we're going to get that mixed together, and we're going to just fold in the apples, 6 chopped apples. Actually, we used 7 today. And then the Snickers, the cut up Snickers, and we have about 2 cups or 6 Snicker bars. So that gets mixed together. Well, it's not going to pour, and you're right-handed, so you hold this in your left hand.
It's good as always. Now I do have to say, the only
You say while I talk. I mean eat.
I can't say it if you're talking.
Go.
I was gonna say that I like chunks of Snickers in mine, not little pieces. I like to eat and taste the chocolate Snickers. What?
All right, friends, we think you should try this recipe. It is super easy. You can get the convenience whipped topping or you can make your own. You can leave out the pumpkin pie mix, spice blend. I do recommend you go to the 1 cup of milk. It's really good. Happy fall, y'all.
Happy fall.